I'm from Gadwal and my guide teacher name is Murli Krishna Mohan sir. My project name is multi-purpose percolation tank. When the farmers are drying the grains, if it unexpectedly rains, it will cause a lot of trouble to them. So to avoid this problem, I have come up with this project. The project name is multi-purpose percolation tank, as I have mentioned already before. The construction of this project is as follows. First, we need to dig a 12 feet deep pit in the ground. From the bottom of the pit above 8 feet, we need to construct this RCC roof. From the RCC roof above 3 feet, we need to place wooden planks. This has to be constructed in 1 by 4 acre land. On these wooden planks, farmers will be drying the grains. When it rains, this waterproof sensor will detect the rainwater and activate these wooden planks to open. These wooden planks open and the grains come and fall onto this RCC surface. After that, they automatically close. This way the grains are protected. But when the wooden planks open, there is chance for the rainwater also entering into the space. So when they start to release the grains, they'll be covered with a waterproof material so that the rainwater doesn't enter this area. This way the grains are protected. And this rainwater, without being wasted, can be channelized into this pit, like 8 feet gap as I mentioned before. In this we can channelize the water and use these for agricultural irrigation as well as aqua farming.
Is it good?
Yeah, sir. Should I show it?
Yeah. Demonstrate.
This is the waterproof sensor. This way it will come and automatically close. And the rainwater stored in the pit can be used for agricultural irrigation this way.